Experiencing iDrive issues in your BMW X5? Let's clarify the two main types of resets. A simple reboot is like restarting your computer. It resolves minor glitches without deleting personal data. For X5 models, try pressing and holding the volume up and down buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds, or navigate to Settings, System, Reboot in the iDrive menu. This is ideal for frozen screens or sluggish performance. On the other hand, a factory reset erases all user data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. Access this via Settings, System Reset to Factory Settings, or by using BMW's ISTA software via an OBD2 scanner. Remember to back up any important data before performing a factory reset, as it will delete navigation history and Bluetooth pairings. If your BMW X5's touchscreen is not responding, start with a soft reboot by pressing and holding the volume up and down buttons on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds. Next, clean the screen thoroughly using a microfiber cloth with a gentle cleaner to remove any dirt or smudges that might interfere with the capacitive sensors. If the problem persists, try recalibrating the touchscreen through hidden menus by holding the volume and menu buttons simultaneously. Check for available software updates through BMW's Connected Drive platform, as many touchscreen issues are resolved with firmware updates. In extreme cases, perform a factory reset to erase user data and restore defaults, or consult with a BMW technician for persistent issues. As of 2025, a large portion of touchscreen issues are software-related and solvable via these methods, potentially avoiding costly hardware replacement.